Hello, my name is Miss Orlando. I am 27 years old and I am like Olaya Herrera Nariño. I am currently studying sociology. I am passionate about because you allows me to better understand society and its dynamic. In my free times, I really enjoy playing football as is one of my favorite hobbies and helps me stay activity. My daily routine includes several activities: working, studying, exercising, spending time with friends, resting, and dedicating time to my family. My family, I usually watch series together and plays as the activities stressing our bond and allows us to share special moments.